mission complete, my boy. We done. I had to keep it real with y'all. For the pull-ups, I only had 5 a piece. I used to do 15 I used to be able to do like 15, 20 a piece sometimes. But I haven't done pull-ups in about a year and a half, based off of the workouts that I've been doing to like increase strength based off of like bench pressing and stuff like that. But I got 5, so now I have to rebuild that back strength up all over again. So 5 a piece, but now I'm gonna go up to the next day. Next time I do like the back day, I'm gonna be doing like pull-ups. I'm gonna go up to 6. Next time I do that, I'm gonna go up to 7. Next day I do that, I'm gonna go up to 8, and I'm gonna just keep going on so far until I get to a point where I could do it like 20 times all over again. All right, so I'm in a man cave. It's laundry day. I got some laundry to do. I've been working in here. When I work in my office and I get tired of something, or if I'm just trying to be entertained, I can come in here and I can watch TV and everything like that. But it can tend to get a little messy where I'll be coming down here, and sometimes with it being wash day, I have to put the clothes down on the floor to separate the piles and everything like that. But we're gonna clean up because I gotta do some cleaning up in here. It's time to clean this up just a little bit. Plus, we're gonna have some company over this weekend because it's our Christmas party that's going on. Avi has her dance recital, her Christmas dance recital. So we gotta make sure that the crib is clean. And of course, if people come down to the man cave, of course, you gotta make sure it's clean. So let's get to this now.
I got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though, ambition, flow inside my DNA. I was born like this, it's born like this, immaculate conception. I transform like this, perform like this, wish out you want no weapon.
Finally cleaned this place up. It looks completely clean now. Like, it was junky. I'll tell you that. It was junky at first. I gotta fold all these clothes right now, but I'm watching a little Thursday night football at the same time. Make sure y'all join out on Prime, Amazon Prime, and it be lit up on here. It be lit, especially if you have a huge screen TV like I do. We got a lot that's going on starting tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. So weekends is when everything turn up. Monday through Friday, Monday through Thursday is usually like the chill days because I'm working, and then we got to do stuff with Avi, of course. So it's kind of like a regular schedule, a regular cadence. But when the weekend come, yeah, it's up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't subscribed or you don't want to subscribe today, maybe next time I'll catch you on the next run. You did when you watch my next video. I'll catch up with y'all. Y'all already know how this go, man. Peace.